SMB cybersecurity key metrics you should be using. Cybersecurity has become critical for the success and longevity of small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs. As cyber threats continue to evolve and become more sophisticated, SMBS needs to establish a robust cybersecurity framework. However, many smaller organizations struggle to assess their security posture effectively. This is where the strategic use of metrics becomes invaluable, serving as a guide to improve cybersecurity practices and ultimately enhance business outcomes. Understanding cybersecurity metrics. Understanding and implementing cybersecurity metrics is crucial for SMBs to protect valuable assets and maintain customer trust. By leveraging these metrics, businesses can make data-driven decisions that enhance security and contribute to overall business growth and resilience. Types of cybersecurity metrics. 1. Quantitative versus qualitative metrics. Quantitative metrics provide objective, numerical data that can be easily tracked over time, allowing for precise trend analysis, while more subjective, qualitative metrics offer valuable insights into cybersecurity's human aspects, such as employee awareness and organizational culture. 2. Leading versus lagging indicators. By focusing on leading and lagging indicators, SMBs can comprehensively view their cybersecurity posture, enabling proactive risk management and more effective resource allocation. Key metrics for enhancing cybersecurity. Incident response metrics. Effective incident response is crucial for minimizing the impact of a cybersecurity breach on an SMB's operations, reputation, and bottom line. By tracking these metrics, businesses can improve their ability to detect, respond to, and recover from security incidents quickly, thereby reducing potential financial losses and maintaining customer confidence. Key metrics to focus on include mean time to detect, MTTD. MTTD refers to the average time it takes for an organization to detect a cybersecurity incident after its occurrence. It measures the efficiency of monitoring and threat detection systems in identifying potential security breaches or anomalies. Mean time to respond, MTTR. MTTR is the average time required to respond to a detected security incident and mitigate its effects. This metric includes containment, eradication, and recovery efforts to restore normal operations while minimizing damage. Number of incidents. This metric represents the total count of security incidents identified within a specified period. It includes all recorded security events that trigger a response from the incident management team, regardless of severity. Incident recovery times. Incident recovery. Times measures the duration required to fully restore systems, data, and operations after a security breach. It tracks the time from incident detection through response and recovery to normal functioning, reflecting an organization's resilience and disaster recovery capability. Threat detection and prevention metrics. For SMBs, maintaining a strong defense against cyber threats is essential for protecting sensitive data and ensuring business continuity. Organizations can optimize their security tools and strategies by monitoring threat detection and prevention metrics, reducing the risk of successful attacks and associated costs. Important metrics in this category include rate of detected threats versus false positives. This metric measures the accuracy of a security system by comparing the number of legitimate threats detected to the number of false positives, incorrectly flagged incidents. It is calculated using the formula rate of detected threats versus false positives equal sign, true positives plus false positives, true positives, actual threats correctly identified, false positives, benign activities incorrectly flagged as threats. A higher rate indicates better detection accuracy, minimizing unnecessary alerts while capturing real threats. Effectiveness of security tools. This metric evaluates how well security tools protect an organization against threats. It considers various performance indicators such as detection accuracy, ability to identify real threats without false alarms, response speed, time taken to react to identified threats, coverage, breadth of protection across different types of threats and attack vectors, ease of use, usability and integration into existing workflows, adaptability, capability to adapt to emerging threats through updates and learning models. The effectiveness is typically measured using performance tests, benchmarking against industry standards, and conducting simulated attacks to assess real-world protection. User awareness and training metrics. Employees are often the first line of defense against cyber threats, making user awareness and training crucial for SMBs. By tracking these metrics, businesses can assess the effectiveness of their security awareness programs, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately reduce the risk of human error-related security incidents. Key metrics to evaluate include percentage of employees completing security training. This metric measures the proportion of employees who have successfully completed assigned security awareness training within a specific time frame. It is calculated using the formula percentage of employees completing security training equal sign number of employees completing training total number of employees 100 down text percentage of employees completing security training equal sign slash frac slash text number of employees completing training text total number of employees times 100. A higher percentage indicates better engagement and compliance with the organization's cybersecurity training programs, reflecting the organization's commitment to fostering a security-aware culture. Phishing simulation results. This metric assesses how employees respond to simulated phishing attacks, designed to test their awareness and resilience against social engineering tactics. Key indicators include click rate, percentage of employees who clicked on malicious links or attachments in phishing emails. Report rate, percentage of employees who identified and reported phishing attempts to security teams. Compromise rate, percentage of employees who submitted sensitive information, for example, login credentials, in response to phishing simulations. Phishing simulation results help gauge an organization's vulnerability to phishing attacks and inform targeted training efforts to strengthen its cybersecurity posture. Implementing a metrics-driven cybersecurity strategy. Setting clear objectives. Aligning cybersecurity objectives with overall business goals is essential for SMBs to ensure that security efforts contribute directly to the organization's success. By setting clear, measurable objectives, businesses can focus their resources on the most impactful security initiatives and demonstrate the value of cybersecurity investments to stakeholders. Collecting and analyzing data. Effective data collection and analysis are fundamental to a successful metrics-driven strategy. For SMBs, this process can provide valuable insights into their security posture, help identify trends, and inform decision-making. By leveraging the right tools and best practices, even smaller organizations can gain a comprehensive view of their cybersecurity landscape. Best practices include regularly reviewing data for anomalies, using visualization tools to interpret complex data sets, continuous improvement and adaptation. In the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats, SMBs must remain agile and adaptive in their approach to cybersecurity. By continuously reviewing and updating metrics, businesses can ensure that their security strategies remain effective against new and emerging threats, ultimately protecting their assets and maintaining a competitive edge in the market. Challenges in measuring cybersecurity effectiveness, data privacy concerns. For SMBs, balancing the need for comprehensive security metrics with data privacy regulations is a critical concern. Failure to comply with privacy laws can result in significant fines and reputational damage. By implementing transparent and compliant data collection methods, businesses can mitigate these risks while gathering the necessary insights to improve their security posture. Resource limitations for SMBs. Many SMBs face budget constraints when implementing robust cybersecurity metrics. However, these organizations can still develop a strong metrics-driven approach to cybersecurity by focusing on cost-effective strategies and leveraging existing resources. This helps protect against threats and demonstrates a commitment to security that can be attractive to potential clients and partners. Strategies to leverage existing resources effectively include utilizing free or low-cost cybersecurity tools, investing in employee training to enhance security awareness and reduce reliance on expensive technology, interpreting metrics accurately. Accurate interpretation of cybersecurity metrics is crucial for SMBs to make informed decisions about security investments and strategies. By avoiding common pitfalls and focusing on contextual analysis, businesses can ensure that their metrics provide actionable insights that drive real improvements in their security posture. In conclusion, by focusing on these key metrics and implementing a metrics-driven cybersecurity strategy, SMBs can significantly enhance their security posture, protect valuable assets, and drive positive business outcomes. Investing in understanding and tracking these metrics will improve cybersecurity and contribute to overall business resilience and growth in an increasingly digital world.